alas 3. Dahil ka doon. Gusto na sa kong magtag. Yung sa naniwan na. Tapos, di kay ang siguro yung isulti, nakalabot na lang ito.
May balong sa daw si Papa Maki. Dako na kayo na og video mo ba? Oh,
Ay, wala man problema kay naka-wifi man na. Hindi mo na. Wala
may
man.
balik sa daw.
Wala man yung naka-record na. Ayaw kay mawala ang pa ni Papa. Mawala yung ano. Mawala yung kuan ba pa ng signal. Mukhaon ang si Papa ron tayo. Talaga, doon sa kumatayo ko narabog. Ayaw. Ako kuanan ba? Masingan na yan ang kuan. Okay. Okay, yeah. Nakuha nila siya uyog na. Unang uyog siya. Ang masasabi ko lang ay good luck anak na trabaho ay. Kung makalingkod ba ka anak. Okay lang makaamot ka. Pero hindi mo tapos ka. Mungkin berkurang sih kita kita ada putih itu deh kalau yang putih kailangan ko dito ako 15%. Doon na ako mag-isa. Yung makakita na ko dito ba yung makikita na okay, kita rin kung paksik. Hindi naman ang mata di kini mga lining, pero bilang mata, maapil lang sa bakay. Kini mo kung eyelid ang uga ba, kini uga ka ay sa bakay. Mahalo, dami consistency nanay, mga wala ko atong patulo na kunya naman. Hindi tuloy na consistent. Lubricating naman to, pang lubricate naman. Pang lubricate.
My love, you go na din na mga kaong kay ate ko.
Ikaw sa kanito ko. Naglabanan ako tulog ko ng lord. Hindi.
maputi ba na ko kay video maipos sa
Dili. Ayaw yun na. Ayaw. Okay, naman na ba ako sa YouTube? Ayaw ko apila.
naman ganit ako magkaapil og mga tao.
Ayaw kay
Fighters.
makita ta sa kuan niya, kung ano tong balay niya. Masikat ta na. Ito na ta diri.
Tapos isibo ka ng igsuon ni Titing.
Sagdira na sila. Wala tayo labot ana. Dili ko maartista. Kalamig ko.
Kano mo dayan?
Ayaw lang, dili ko maulap pa rin na. Ayaw, apil ako na. Ikaw lang, kaya para pwede man ka mag-artista. Yan na si mama. Si kuya, kamo lang ni kuya. Bilang kung sa litaran ay Domingo. Wala pa tayong sweldo o mapatay. Nangin, teka mo. Magbayad ako sa bigay mo. Wala pa. Wala man ko penalty ni Men sa sa absent na ko. Pero murag karon na absent mo, penalty na ko ka magbawa naman positive naman. I-consider sa emergency mo, good man nga. Wala ko yung penalty ka mo ka dapat duty mo po ato niya. Nagdakot-dakot lang si Maricor sa bayan na. Ako na lang duty. Ako yung nag-night lang siya. Nakikami ko kayo. Dugay, dito ba ito kayo mo? Dugay ni ulo kong helper. Ako yung bantay. Bigyan ng ulo ng pahapon na to. Kamusta kaya ni matinood? Sa anniversary siguro kasi malis na nito. Ngayon, pag siguro ka lang sa atong puan, atong fixing. Wala sa mga huwag lamit. Wala si Troy na rin. Si Sandra ka na, nagkakatili.
Ayaw ikwan si Kuya Maki. May taon kabaluan eh.
Si Asa,
Sa video, i-post na ko sa YouTube.
isa mang namuna.
Kung maingat ka o, si Sander.
Ayaw ko apila. Ayaw dyan lagi. Istorya ni madakpan ba yata ana. Nainana na ba nadakpan ana sa social media. Kanong patakarang post. Ay, nagkatumak muna.
Kukuan.
Nagpulan. Karong bulan mo na ikaw magparihan. Karong ikaw magparihan.
Mana lagi dua.
Halang nagka-short na basta.
Madol.
Makapariban yun.
Na lagi kay duha. Na kay duha na channel ma.
Kaya pala eh.
Na.
Ang buto. Wala ko na.
Bibilin pa mana tapos.
Katumata sa una. Wala mo kita na taon ng anak. Isa naman to ka video na dito katong amuan ni Papa.
Tapos na po
Ikaw may nabatbuatan Roman.
na po isa ka channel ma. Na po isa ka channel makatong. Kung na kayo makatong 2024.
Ikaw masaya nagbuhat anak. Para may isulod
Di
anak.
man good ma wala pa kuha to.
2020 mo ka na anak. Kalimot mo ka.
Wala yung matong dito ko lang anak.
Nasalamat.
Di man ako nagkuha na to ma.
Hindi lang. Iban na lagi daw to. Magmakabuhat yung kuglain na kay imo gibutangan upuan. Kanang di man na pwede nga gikan sa uban nga video na kung i-post mo sa ato ang video kay nangawat
Ma,
ka ana.
ikuha
Dapat
na di ako ma.
magbuhat kag original.
Tapos gikuha na ko si si kuya mag-video.
Ma-restrict ka na. Dapat ang imong video, imuha lang.
Di ko na ko makatawan.
Mga sa video sa
Wala.
video niya,
Wala.
i-post niya sa
Wala.
ang video
Wala.
sa mo naban ko kay ginapangwartahan na ba nasa uban pagka mo nang i-post di mura ka nag-copyright ba? No copyright ba dapat na. Kung magbuhat kay inana, kung musundog ka, magbuhat kay imuha, dili kay kato mismo video niya imuha kung anon.
Naman po itaw nagsundog-sundog ma.
Ha.
Kung nga tao good ma.
Mm.
Sige, kita po. Ang matay ka. Sabagay na siguro na maparintihan ka.
Bungot to no, kadong. Bungot niya mo. Magpagupit ta sa 30 po din, magpagupit ta sa 30. Pwede po sa 1 sa buntag.
Doon lagi kong mata ma.
Dapat bilang mata. Yung sa tatakay pa kanon sa tatak.
Mo okay do kung mata.
Dapat bilang mata. Ito mata na.
Kana na-fall na mata ma di ba? Diba? Tapos na po yan eh.
Hindi mo na pwede.
Kung ma.
Dapat na. Wala sa papa mo.
Yay! Wala na imong video ma. Yung club.
Saan na dito ka?
Tudu.
Kaya pasigara sila pagkaon na dira.
Tuklak eh. Tuklak.
This is Ronaldo just hours before the match, but instead of
Hey, can you give me 3 random words?
No.
Come on, just give me 3 random words. You do this every single time.
Cycle.
Cycle, like a bike. All right, what's the next one?
Jesus Christus.
Kaya pasigara na kayo magkaon na dira ba? Pasigara suga. Dito na tata.
Mag-stay out 1 hour dito ma. Kaya para magwapo ako, yes, naman dyan.
Go into the cage inside itself. And so eventually there's so many bacteriophage copies inside that the bacteria literally is enormous. Well, harmony of bacteriophage burst out, ready to kill more bacteria just for you. What's happening with inside your body right now? Did you know that one of the world's deadliest viruses is actually on your side? Meet the bacteriophage, a lethal virus that's hunting in your body right now. But how come this doesn't kill you? Well, first reason, unlike normal viruses,
Ayaw na, katong sa kusina. Dito, okay, dito man magkaon, pikas.
all beginning when a phage lands on a bacteria cell in your body. Using tiny leg-like fibers, it locks onto the surface. And like sharp spikes underneath its body, it pierces straight through the bacteria, pushing down until it fully locks into place.
Wow.
It gets worse.
Ayun na, isara na. Wala naman kayo.
Masang charger?
Charger to kay ate.
Ay, charger?
Full pa man, ako pa man yung kuan.
People are saying you're the most dangerous shrimp in the ocean. Can I ask you a few questions?
Go for it.
What do you love?
Pistol shrimp.
And what do you do for a living?
I shoot for a living.
Damn! Okay, first question. How did you do that?
With this oversized claw right here, it has a built-in mechanism that snaps really fast.
And that kills things?
Yeah, I can show you. Follow me.
Oh, sure. Okay, well, as we swim, do you get along with other pistol shrimp out here?
Not really. We often get into shootouts over territory and stuff like that.
Seriously?
Yeah, I had to kill a man to get that little rock cut over there.
Oh, dang. So I heard you guys are one of the loudest animals on Earth. Is that true?
Yeah, when we shoot, it can reach up to 218 decibels, louder than a jet engine.
Actually?
Yeah, apparently it messes with Navy sonars and stuff.
That's crazy. Okay, one more thing. How does your claw actually kill? Because I know it snaps fast, but like how?
Basically, my claws are plugged inside that snaps so fast it creates a cavitation bubble with only vapor inside. The pressure around the bubble is so strong it almost gets as hot as the surface of the sun, then collapses, creating a shockwave that kills my prey.
That's just ridiculous.
Oh, and you see that crab over there?
Bring him in here.
Oh, sure, why not? Hey buddy, how you doing? What's your name for the interview?
Hey, my name is...
People are saying you're the most dangerous shrimp in the ocean. Can I ask you a few questions? If you stand under this tree for shade, it can literally kill you. Meet the man you know. Excuse me, who are you and what do you do for a living?
I'm a Greenland shark, and parasites eat my eyes for a living.
Okay, anyways, first question, where do you live?
Right here in the Arctic midnight zone, 7,000 feet down, where the sun doesn't shine and the water is freezing.
Cool, man. So how do you get down? Oh, sure. You slow down or something?
We can only swim around half a mile per hour, about as fast as I can go back.
Please, Ma.
Kurt!
Ma, please. Ma, please.
What bad?
Kaon na to. Daan.
Lagi mo gawas ko ron ka, ano mo dito ka?
Gawas ng doon dito.
Oh, magawas lagi ko. Tira na po kung matulog eh.
Alright, anyways, last question. How many years have you been doing this for? I'm guessing you're...
Dili basta sa may gawas.
Dito ka tulog ako, magnanak ka dali lang.
Sige ka og tulog.
Alangan mo, napakoy duha ka nights. Tapos off na dayon duha ka off.
Kaya mo gawas na to dito, Ma.
Oh, sa 30 matutag is niya mabalit na gamit mo.
Magulma mo gawas na ditong duha.
Dili ko dito kay sakit pa sa mata ang init. Oh, kita ko sa mata oh.
Lagi.
Red. Kailangan pa sa sleep.
We hate him.
Ben.
Oh no, we did this too.
That's like 17 years ago. How do you even
Sa may
remember that?
labi.
We hold grudges for years.
Well, what did he do?
He threw a pine cone at me when I was trying to
Imuhang
eat.
bigso na kay wala man ay klaro.
I mean, that's pretty bad, but 17 years is kind of crazy, huh?
For the next 7 generations, we'll teach your children, your children's children, your children's children's children. When you see this man, you will dive bomb, steal, wreck, and take his wife. Never forget.
That guy. Whoa, what did you tell him?
Now show him what you made of, boy.
Die, godmother!
Hey, you see that guy over there?
This dinosaur was so terrifying to attack that even T-Rexes might have avoided it.
Meet the Ankylosaurus. And once you see how this thing was built, you'll understand why it was so scary. Let's begin with their body. They were absolute tanks. The armor on their back wasn't just a shell of normal dinosaurs, but rather directly infused into their skin. So you couldn't just rip it off, as the dinosaur itself was the armor. Nearly impossible to fight through. It doesn't stop there, as they were essentially a walking fortress, built extremely low to the ground, wide, weighed up to 8 tons, and believed to squat down low to the dirt when threatened, meaning it was almost impossible for any dinosaur to flip them or reach their vulnerable underside. Not only that, if you tried to attack it anywhere else, its neck was armed, legs, tail, head had heavily infused bones, and possibly even their eyelids were armored. But this is the least of their problems, as they had a massive muscular clubbed tail, estimated to swing up to 30 miles per hour, hitting with enough force that potentially would shatter bones. The craziest of all, although
Hey, back up! This is my kill! You're not getting shit.
oh, come on, man, you gotta give him something.
I'm starving, dude. I don't care.
So is he.
I said I don't care.
Come on.
Oh, all right, fine. Start your game. Oh my God! Now there's 3 of them. What do you want me to do now?
Dude, they can help you.
No, they can't.
Yes, they can.
That's happening.
I'm not
Hey,
lying.
now,
They can help you kill
Defender.
that thing right over there.
Wait, they can help me hunt those?
Yeah.
Yo, guys, I have a deal. If you help me kill that thing over there, I'll give you some
Thunder.
of my meat. Say less. All right, bet. Hey, back up! This is my kill.
Imagine you walked outside and saw dozens of your
Ako na, boss.
I'm starving.
On YouTube di currency.
Extender! Palungkod na laro.
Nabigol ng tanaw.
Ay, pag humanitroy, si Pusa na nandara din yung isang tao. Sa ayaw ko kung magsakit ang ulo ha. Pinakas mo na. Sige ko sa tigas mo, kaya mo yung mga alas 6 na tama ko mag-kain. Ako lang mirami na doon. Relax na. Ano nahiga naman po kay Sander? Ang balik sa ako. Pagkakapos sa kumataan.
Masaman.
Ano sa'yo saman? Kaon na ba?
Mati, lagi ko kakita, ma.
Ha? Ano, nabuta na ka.
Ha? Ate, dahil.
Ay, bigyan po kakitaan na. Ikaw mo gani kakita sa naman. Kita na sa mata.
Ay, mo.
Hindi yan eh. Hindi mo balay.
Kana, mawala rin klaro ang tutog mo, gisma.
Alexander, di ka mamina sa ako, Kurt? Murag palagot to, man kunin mo bago ka mutuman. Hindi pagkaon na pagtarong na bituin ko. Kailangan ka kung
Wait. Mag-recharge sa recharge.